Hello, my name is Hugo and this is my video presentation of a scientific paper by authors Dag Trier and Ines van Boxleer called Love is Blind: The Indiscriminate Mating Responses to Male Pheromones in Nudes Courtship. By observing nudes while mating, a clear behavior pattern was confirmed. First one is when the male waves its tail towards the female. The second one is when the female tries to chase the male and touch the male's tail. And the third and final one is when the female waves its tail towards the male to end courtship. The author's goal was to find out if the male's visual cues are pertinent or subordinate to olfactory pheromones during courtship. The first part of the experiment was by collecting responsive females of two different species, being the palmate nudes and the alpine nudes, L. helveticus and L. alpestris, and as well as collecting normal water and water with male pheromones, that I'm going to be calling courtship water. The second part was putting two females from the same species in tanks with normal water and courtship water of their own species, and as well as putting two females, one from each species, in tanks with normal water and one of the species courtship water. The final step was recording their reactions. So as you can see here, in the interspecific cases, the L. alpestris, that is two L. alpestris females, when they were in their own courtship water, that's represented by LA here on the left, they presented the three main behaviors of courtship. In the interspecific cases, the L. alpestris and the L. helveticus behaved in the same way when they presented the three main behaviors when they were in their own species courtship water. LA represented for L. alpestris and LH represented for L. helveticus. You can also see that when species were in the normal water, that's represented by W here, they didn't show any of the following normal behaviors of courtship. That confirms the title of the paper, proving that in nudes appearance is susceptible to pheromones, and that in those cases love is in fact blind. Thanks for watching.